Okay, so I'm just standing on my back deck here, and we are going to um, get a start on getting our gardens ready for planting season. I am not a master gardener. My theory behind it is you plant it. If it grows, it's meant to be. If it doesn't, you either try to plant something else or it just wasn't meant to be. And so I'm going to bring you along for this journey. So we're down here at my raised beds. My husband made these. They they're just homemade. The whole inside part, all the wood that's gonna touch the soil or that has touched the soil, because these are a few years old, is non-treated wood. The only thing that's treated are the legs themselves that are on the outside of it. And we have two of them. And then we just got these this year, and they're not real expensive. We're just kind of trying them out to see if we like something like this. We'll see how long they last. We're going to be putting potatoes in them. Hopefully we can get enough into both of them. Neither one of us have grown potatoes before, so this is a new venture for us, but we're going to do it because we're pretty excited about it. And we got this probably about a week ago. We got some cow manure and compost. And so I'm going to be putting that into each of the garden beds. Also some in that once we get the dirt. And my husband is also going to make another bed just like this. We're going to have 3 of these raised beds now. And the purpose behind the raised beds is a story. I have 2 artificial knees. They were done at different times, but I have new knees. When you get new knees, they are not like what God had given you. The pain goes away when you get new knees, but they advise you not to spend a lot of time on your knees. So no more garden beds. Years and years ago, probably 20 some years ago, where these raised garden beds are at right now, there was an in the ground garden, and we did really well. And I was on my knees all the time, weeding and doing all this and that, but no more. I'm over 50 plus, and it's nice to just walk right up to these. I can walk right up to them, and it comes to my waist. And it's so much nicer for me. And actually, my husband really likes it too. And I think he actually made one for each of our older kids. They both live in their own places, and they both really liked them as well. So that is how we garden here. Except for now that we got the new metal bins for the potatoes. And if we don't have potatoes in them, I talked to my husband and I said, well, we could do, like squashes, that sort of thing that kind of vine out in them as well. I have done squash in this raised bed here. And that's why these little makeshift fancy thingies are up, so that we can kind of guide the viney part of it, over it. And it does help quite a bit. But we're just going to see what we can get done today. My plan is to, hopefully the soil is loose enough, unfrozen I should say, so that I can get some manure into each of the boxes and really work it in. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So from our garden beds, that is the back of the house there. There's the deck, obviously. That is an apple tree and a couple sheds. Playground was for the youngest daughter. Now the grandkids enjoy it. So that is a view of the back of the house, back of the yard. I'm going to be walking back up, and it is an incline, so I'm not going to videotape this because you're going to hear me panting. Okay, so we've got one to where we think we have enough dirt in it. What we did was we put a bag of compost and manure down on the very bottom, put the bags of dirt, and then a bag of compost and manure on the top, and spread it all out. Now we're gonna go get our potatoes and plant in here and see what else we need to do. We've never done potatoes before. It's new to both my husband and I. Okay, so we finished burying the potatoes. We put them about 8 inches deep, 6 to 8 inches deep. And then now we've got the cow manure and compost in here, one bag, and then he's getting the rest of the dirt so we can fill this one up.